All right, it is Friday, the 11th of April. Let's get it. Let's get it. We got the S&P on the right and NASDAQ on the left. Man, we are down in our account. We're down like $500, so this is not good. We're only going to be using one micro today just to scoop our way out of this hole that we've graciously dug for ourselves, but that's okay. I consider it as a challenge, and if I can successfully get out of this hole and start to get back in the profit world, that's going to be really nice. So let's see here. We got this little guy. I would love to see a breakdown here on the open, a breakdown here as well. And then we have these lows down here. I kind of just want to mark out those lows. 2:30 a.m. for me, that's the overnight lows. Market's about to open. Let's see here. Let's see what happens. I'm going to put a little limit down here. I'm actually going to drop it. Let's see how that price action looks. I'd love to get in right below the 400 level actually, just because that would be more of a key level to get short at. It just tapped 400.
Order filled.
Getting in just like that. Already moved to break even just like that.
Stop.
Tap me at break even. Maybe we got in a little bit early here. It's forming another little bit of a bear flag.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
sell on over here on the S&P instead. Buy stop right there. We're break even on the S&P. Just tapped
filled.
break even on the S&P. Hopefully NASDAQ can drop here. We gotta stop right above that wick. Looks like she is dropping more. Don't pull back on me just yet.
Stop
Of course.
filled.
Of course. Dude, get off my screen. This could be a little bit more of just a flag forming here. The S&P just looks a little bit cleaner, but I love the volume on the NASDAQ.
Order filled.
I'll take another little short on the NASDAQ right here. Gonna move to break even on the
Stop
NASDAQ.
filled.
Doesn't look like it's going. Move to break even just in time right there. Yep, we're kind of squeezing up a little bit. All right, we've already been in a couple of trades, break evens. We've been in a loss. 68 bucks. We got room to work today. This thing may be squeezing back. Let me get back to you when I find another good opportunity. So we are ripping back above. It's just coming back down to the bottom of the range. You could just take a high risk stab short here, but I'm just going to wait around and see if we get a confirmation of which way it wants to go today. We're just kind of ranging right now, so I'll get back at you. We are tapping the VWAP. See if we can bust back above here. Have a buy right there. Put my stop right below. Got my stop down here. See, this guy was to bust above. I mean, the swings are just crazy. I'll get this out of the way so you guys can see this. Swings are just crazy. Honestly, probably should have longed more close to that VWAP down there. But hey, here we are. Nice. I'm moving to break even. Let's look left. Where can we take profits? Maybe towards 640. Nice, tiny little pullback there, tiny little pullback. Nice, let's get it to rip again. I'll move my stop up to the 600s. Looks like we're kind of chilling at 600s. I'm just holding it to squeeze, you know, see how much we can get out of it. Move my stop up to 82. Just to lock in something. I move this back over for you guys. I'm sorry you can't really see this. There you go. I'd love to see that break again and not tap me out. That'd be nice. Nice little bull flag. Good little bull flag. Let's stay up now. Stay up. Be strong. Be strong. Sometimes you have to pep talk them. Because that helps, you know? Because we're just delusional and insane. That helps. Just having fun here. So much fun losing money. 68. We're still down. What are we up right now? Oh, we'd be up for the day if we can smash this. I'll leave this on the screen just for fun here. Waiting for this. I'm looking at the tick chart just for that structure within the 1 minute candle. Please don't tap me out. I want to keep going, buddy. Keep going. Tap me out, man. And then it goes. It tapped me and then it goes. I guess I should have just waited and moved my stop. But hey, we wanted to secure something, right? We wanted to secure something. This is what I was watching. It just couldn't get back to break that high. And it barely did and then came right back down. It's so weird because in a normal market, right, before all these tariffs are going on, you would have had a couple pullbacks and then boom, we would have been continuing to the upside. But people are just so indecisive right now. You could have even moved your stop up to there. It would have been stopped out. My entry was right here. So thankfully I at least grabbed some profit. But it's just crazy right now. So anyway, we'll see if there's another trading opportunity. I may just call it. All right, I just got in kind of a crazy little trade here. I'm going to let you guys watch the other chart. Watch me get stopped out before I could even show it. I took a trade just because it was a cheap trade. I just put the buy right down here. I'm only risking 6 points, which is like barely any money with one micro. But the pullback, I'm just thinking the pullback right now is going to stop around there and go back up. So if it does go back up, at least we get a good price, right? At least we get a good price. And you guys can see this, right? Yeah. See that? Keeps going up. Hopefully it'll just keep going up and not tap me out. That would be really, really nice. Move to break even. I like moving to break even as quick as I can. If you guys have watched any of my videos, that's kind of my own little edge, is just like move to break even quick, protecting the capital. Like I'd rather take 3 or 4 break evens and then take, catch a wave than take a loss and then catch a wave. So that's just me. And scalping and day trading, you can do that because it's so quick. As soon as it pushes up and shows, hey, I want to go up, why should it come all the way back down? If it's going to go up, it's going to go up. That's how these futures usually work. But dude, with this market, it's insane. It's yeah, I mean, all this stuff I'm talking about is what I'm used to seeing over the past few weeks. But with the tariff market, it's the Wild West out here, man. You can't really be too sure. Look at that. Look at that. Can we grab another 100? Can we grab another 100? I'm just gonna put a sell up there. If we can go bust through, that'd be great. Oh, she's busting. Smash it. Nice. There we go. That was a beautiful little trade. We're up 100 on the day. I'm taking that, dude. I was already down in like the 400s up here, which is bad. So we're squeezing our way. We're inching our way out of this hole. Sometimes you just got to do it, man. I haven't dug myself in a hole on a new account in a while, but this is a Tradify straight to funded. So I spent a pretty good amount of money on it. I'm not trying to lose it. I'm going to take this seriously. Like if this was my money, we have a max loss of 2,000. End of day trailing drawdown. I've already put it down 500. So we're we're probably like a 1,500 overall loss max that we can't hit. So anyway, I'm just going to call it there. I'm going to go ahead and like exit all positions just to make sure I'm not in anything. And we're just going to exit out of the charts just so we can't trade anymore. I'll see you guys. Well, it's Friday. I guess I'll see you guys Monday. I'll see you guys Monday. Have a great weekend. Hope you enjoy the content. If you do, just subscribe so that we can, make money together. See you soon.